Hey guys, welcome back. It's Kristen at Kristen DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you a really easy, cheap, and cute Christmas craft idea. I'm going to be making a wreath out of Christmas bulbs. And these are all things that I bought at the Dollar Tree, so it's another inexpensive, fun craft idea. So I bought this green wreath at the Dollar Tree, and then I bought a bunch of Christmas bulbs, and I have a lot of red and gold, and then I bought a bunch of smaller ones also. And so these were very inexpensive. Like I said, I got it all at the Dollar Tree, and then I have my hot glue gun and my hot glue sticks. So we're just going to be taking these and gluing them on, and then we'll fill in the left spots with the smaller ones. So yeah, that is what we're going to do today. It's super easy. And then I have some string that I'll glue on the back so that we can hang it. Another fun idea I had was to get more of these and to have my kids make them. And so that's just a really fun craft for them. My kids always love having Christmas decorations in their rooms. And so they get to choose their own colors, and it's a fun activity that you guys can do together. So this is super easy. You're just gonna take the bulbs. You're gonna put hot glue on them. And we're just gonna glue it on. Don't worry, I will fast forward this for you. Drop my hot glue stick. So you can still be faster. So now I'm gonna take some red. And remember, you can use any color. I've seen some really cute ones with like black and gold. It's kind of whatever is your favorite. And like I've said before, the red and gold is some of my favorite Christmas colors to decorate with. So we are just going to keep gluing and gluing until we like it. And make sure that you do kind of up and down. Oh, didn't get that glued on there. Make sure you kind of put it higher and lower so you can come back and fill in the gaps with the smaller ones. I didn't let that dry. There we go. Okay. So I have some little small different colors with green and white, and then I have some gold. So we'll just kind of fill these in. As you can see, there's a few spots where you can see the green of the wreath. And so you just put them where you like and make it however you like, really. I'm gonna kind of put these on top to cover up the gold parts. And you'll need to make sure you get the glue actual on the bulbs so they don't fall off. Okay. Okay, here it is. It's all finished. I had some red and white string that I just glued to the back, so now we can hang it. But yeah, this is it. Super inexpensive and really easy craft. Like I said, you could do these with your kids. I think this whole thing cost me around $8 to make. So what do you think? Here it is. You could display these, on your door. It'd even be really cute if you made a few and put them on a mantle with your decorations. So that's it. Tell me what you guys think. There was one more thing that I saw at the Dollar Tree that I wanted to show you. So when I was at the Dollar Tree, I found these cute little stockings, and I didn't know what to do with them, but they were so cute that I wanted to buy them. So then I had an idea of when you set up your dinner, if you do a Christmas dinner and you decorate your table, I thought these could be used to hold utensils. So there you go. I'm so excited to use these. They were 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And so when you're setting up your plates and everything for dinner, you could use these and put utensils inside. And that was just a really fun idea I had, because just really love those little stockings and had to get them. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked what you saw, please hit like, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all of you guys for subscribing, and leave me comments. Tell me if you loved it, you hate it, how you can improve it. But yeah, thanks again so much for watching.